Let's go.
Hey guys, what's up? It's me Lavanya and welcome back to another video. So today I'm doing a DIY related video, and yeah, since it's the back to school season, I decided to bring this video for you guys. That is DIY back to school supplies. So that's basically what we're going to be doing in today's video. Hope you guys are excited about this. And yeah, before going guys, I just wanted to tell you all that I wanted to do a Q&A round really soon. So if you guys have any questions that you might want to ask me, you can leave it down in the comment section of this video or any of my videos. Without further ado, let's get on with this video. So start off by taking a plain canvas pencil case and draw on lots of semicircles on it. And yeah, if you're a great painter, then you can just paint directly on. But yeah, it would be better if you draw it on first so you know exactly where to paint. And yeah, then go ahead and take some red paint and color all these semicircles. After that, take some green paint and just outline the curve of the semicircle, and now you can make out that it's a watermelon. Then take some silver pen and yeah, draw a line just where red and green meet, and then add on a bunch of seeds using a marker. This kind of bring the whole look together, and yeah, that's pretty much it. And then just make tons of it on your pencil case, as many as you want. And yeah, we're done with this amazing pencil case. It's so easy to make and gives such summerish vibes. Next DIY up is polka dot pencils, for which you need just pencils and nail paint. So yeah, go ahead and take your favorite nail polish. I'm going for silver because my pencils are dark in color, so it would be better to use light color on top of that. Then just use some rounded object like this and yeah, start making little dots all over your pencil. So I'm using a pin here, and yeah, I have just put it in the back of the eraser of a pencil, and yeah, that's a DIY dotting tool. And yeah, leave it to dry and we're done. Next up, I'm also going to do one using some silver confetti or sequin. So go ahead and just paint your pencil. It's pretty straightforward. And there you go, your glitter pencil is all done. The results is amazing. I just love the way we just gave a complete transformation to these plain and boring pencils. For this paperclip bookmarks, you just need two things: some paper clips and some pretty looking charms like this. I actually got mine from the broken earrings or stuff. So yeah, all you have to do is just take some glue and yeah, put a drop on the tip of the paper clip and go ahead and stick on your charm. There you go, we're done with it. For the next one, I'm gonna put up a tulip on the paper clip, and yeah, so easy to make, and these are the cutest bookmarks that I've ever owned in my life. Plus it's a DIY that makes it just way more meaningful. The next DIY requires a plain white notebook, a plain thick paper, a piece of plastic or scissors and cutter, whatever you find more convenient, ribbon, glue, glitter, that's the star of the show, and yeah, a pencil and a compass. So start off by making a circle right in the middle of your notebook and make sure to make it inside, and then using your cutter or your scissor, just trace it and basically cut the circle out like this. Now cut a circle of a little more radius from the thick paper and the plastic. Then go ahead and take some glue and put it on the sides of the circle. Then first go ahead and stick on your plastic. And here comes the best part, that is adding glitter. So go ahead and put on glitter. You can just use one color or you can mix up two or more colors like I am doing here. And then go ahead and put on your paper on top of that. So that's just gonna seal it. Just make sure to use a glue with a good hold so that it doesn't come out. And then you can use a beautiful paper like this and just stick it on. Make sure to make a circle in here and 2 cuts like this, because that will represent the thread on which it's hanging. Then go ahead and put on some tape on the sides. This will make it a bit more neater. Then in the space between these 2 cuts, just fill it up with the black marker. And yeah, just put a drop of glue on this point and stick on a ribbon. This is the finishing point, and this actually brings the whole look together. After adding on the ribbon, we're done with this. That's pretty much it. And I just love the transformation of this plain and boring notebook to something so much more beautiful and amazing. So that was it for the video, guys. Hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe. If you haven't already did, that's the most important thing, guys. Please subscribe. And yeah, you can also follow me on Instagram. I'll link it down below. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.